ADIDAS will pay you $7,000 every single month just to work from home. And the best part about it is that you can work from anywhere, anybody can do it, and you don't have to show your face. Let me show you how. So the first step is you're gonna wanna go to Google and type in ADIDAS affiliate program. Then select the first link that pops up. Okay, so once you select the first link, it should bring you to this page. Just hit the apply now button and sign up for free. After you sign up, you should get an affiliate link. Then you wanna go ahead and select a product to promote. Remember, there's tons of products you could select, but just pick one of them to start. Next, you wanna head over to Pinterest.com and create a free account. Then hit create and create pin. Now you're gonna wanna set this up just like an ad. Okay, so image, text, or the title, and a light description. Now don't skip this part because this is how you get paid. So now where it says add a destination link is where you're gonna put your affiliate link. This is the link that ADIDAS gave you to where when people click it and purchase, you're gonna get paid. After that, you go ahead and just hit publish. Now what this is called is affiliate marketing. And if you wanna see how ordinary people just like myself are out here making 5 figures plus a month passively, make sure to go to the link in my bio for all the details.